This is the dryer. I don't have a lot in there, I'm just testing it out. Close it and it starts back. This is the little vent thing, I can't think of the name of it. You just put a little water in there. This is the stand. It was actually white, but we spray painted it black to match everything. I dropped the sock.
This thing works. As you can see, I gave it a 5-star because I don't understand when people say that it doesn't work. This small dryer does work. I am so in love with it and I hope it lasts longer. Really durable, it's fun to operate. And it dries it faster than I think.
Not right. Nah. I don't want to do anything.